Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get iPhone 14 Pro like dynamic island in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system on my Raspberry computer. So if you're using a Windows 10 or lower Windows operating system, still the tricks will gonna work for you. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application named as XWidget, and on the first list you will get its official website. Just click on it, and below you can see here on the right side XWidget for Windows. Just click on download for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double left click it to extract this zip file. Click on extract. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double left click it to run the software installer. Click on next, click on next, click on next, wait for a few more seconds. So finally the software has installed successfully. Now you can click on finish. So now you can see some widgets are appearing on the desktop. Wait for a few more seconds. So the main dashboard is loading. So now you can see here the first one on the left side is a desktop dynamic island. So just click on it. So you can see the preview. So just scroll down below, and now you can see download for free. Just click on it for a few seconds until the downloading is complete. So below you can see it's downloading now. So finally you can see here dynamic island widget is being successfully added. Now you can close the rest widgets. Now if you double left click on it, you can see here the time as well as the date. If you just double left click it in, you can just see a camera like pill icon. So just right click on it. Now you will see a tons of options, right? So you can select different applications like weather, memory, battery, player. So let us select the player, and if you double left click on it, you can see our music player. So let us try to play some musics, right? So let me play our sample music here. So you can see here it's playing and showing the music file names, and if you click on this dot icons, it will show you the music player, or you can directly play from here. No need to play from your music player again. You can play and pause. You can just pass forward. You can just go back. You can just bring back the default camera pill icons. So if you right click on it, you will get a tons of options, and you can get a configure option also if you want to configure the size, positions, everything here. So a tons of options. You can set a player settings also if you want to change your music player here. So here are some music players right now for this. So in futures the developer might add more music players here. So right now the Windows media player is being added. So if you want to add a weather also, it's added. Just double left click on it. Now you can see weather informations. So you can see here weather informations is being shown. So you can add like a memory, battery, player, shutdown, whatever. You can just select the shutdown also. So you can get shutdown options here from here, and you can just click on shutdown or restart, whichever you want to click from here. So it acts like exactly like the iPhone 14 Pro like dynamic island for your Windows computer. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.